Hey guys, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to attach or detach bands on your Apple Watch Ultra, which is going to be similar to any Apple Watch you have. So if you're looking to change it or replace the bands or swap it out, this is what you're going to do. So first thing is you're going to go on the back of your Apple Watch. You see right here on the Ultra Watch, you have these two little circular things. Basically, we need to press and hold and then slide these bands to take it off. So to show you how that's done, I'm going to press and hold this circular button up here, and then I can slide it either that way or this way, left or right, doesn't matter. You just want to press and hold during the whole process. So you can see here, you can slide it off just like that. Same exact thing on this process. I just press and hold, and that will go ahead and remove it just like that. It's simple as that, just taking off it, and now we have just the watch itself right here. And now to attach it back, it's going to be really simple here. All you're going to do is just slide it in. This time you don't need to press and hold that. You can just go ahead and take your new bands or the same one, or if you're swapping it out, and it just goes in like that, and it snaps in. You hear a little snap, and it's locked in. It won't like loosen or anything. And then after that, your Apple Watch is ready to go. You don't need to turn it on or anything like that. You can switch it out, swap it, whatever makes sense for you. Whatever hand, if you're using a left or right hand, so you can take this one, put it there, put it up there as well. But that's how you attach and detach your Apple Watch band. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please do consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your Apple Watch and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.